Hi guys, today we're going to unbox one of our wheels so you guys can see how do we pack our wheels and what is inside. Let's have a look. First of all, we have the Taiwan Excellence sticker because we have been awarded for our great design among the other products from Taiwan. Okay, now here we have the lightweight sticker, super strong and ready for racing. Also, you can see this little window and take a look what kind of wheel it comes inside. Okay, now let's open it. Basically opens like a pizza, so let's dig it. So there you go. Now this is the wheel, very well protected. We have 4 corners to save all the edges. Now in the middle we have this foamy, it will protect the hub, so you can just remove it. And very important over here, if you see this sticker means that inside we have the tools or we have the accessories. Let's open that pocket. And here we got stickers, white and black. So for your scooter, for your computer, anywhere you want to put it, save it. Also, and very important, we have the 2 spacers. 1 spacer for the right side, 1 spacer for the left side. So if you have a look, both of them are different, so pay attention when you install it. Now let's put it over here. And here we have 3 screws. This one supports the ABS sensor from your wheel, so it will be easier for you just to fit those screws and fit the sensor. Very easy. Okay, so let's save the stickers here, and here comes the wheel. So wow, the wheel is super light. The quality of the surface is beautiful. All the surfaces are very clean and neat. You can see the colors. Now how the hub is well attached and the place where the spacers will go. So 1 left, 1 right. Okay, so last but not least, here at the bottom of the box you can find the guarantee card and instruction manual. So very important, the guarantee card comes with a serial number with instructions about the guarantee in case you need it. Now let's put this one aside. And this one is also very important. It's telling you how to insert the 2 spacers, left and right, and the screws. So keep that in mind. So this is how the wheel comes. Very beautiful, super light, and enjoy your wheels. If you have questions, just let us know.